he might be a con man. I don't know yet, but I will know soon. I don't think he is, I think he's a good guy, but who the fuck knows? I don't know if I'm can't scream now, but I sure hope that I'm not. You seem like a nice guy. Don't real please. I'll see you Monday. Latest. I mean, at least allegedly. I made this beat for a friend. He said he couldn't use it, couldn't rap on top of this. What the fuck you doing? So here I am, pretending I'm a rap guy, frontin' and stuntin' and spittin' true when the flies. And no, I ain't that great, and I've been making mistakes, cause someone's gotta bake the cake, man. Fucking cake. Fuck the government and our divided society with its bullshit propriety. Got the stench of it all on me. Everywhere I go it's people hating on their neighbor. Come on, do me a favor and recognize that you're not the savior. Oh shit, it's not quite time. Gotta make more rhymes, eat limes. Motherfucking vitamin C puts the good in the G, saves the cat from the tree. Yo, I gotta pee. Gotta pee. Gotta pee. Gotta pee. Bitch. No, that can't be right. You're telling me that anyone can just go buy an engine and a fucking propeller, strap it on their back and attach a fucking paraglider to it and just fly around? Like they're gonna let you do that?
They will? You can just do that? Oh, shit. Hey, I just heard about their motors. I need more in my life. The risk might be substantial, but it's the only way I can fly. Wouldn't bother trying to talk me out of it. I've made my decision. I might die, but I'm gonna fly. If I die, I die. I might die, but I'm gonna fly.